Are you sure that you need to sniff him quite that much?
I know. He's like, yes, I'm making sure.
He said, I have to do this.
I have to make sure he's okay.
I have to make all these tests before I can give a lab report.
Literally.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you gonna sniff back? Good boy. You sniffing back? Good boy.
Here, come over here so he can smell your butt.
There.
Whoa, there's a new smell there. I don't like that dog ran in there.
Good boy. Good doggy.
Good boy, Daddy.